At Homestead Air Reserve Base, our Airfield systems team delivered a full-scope, turnkey replacement of the sequence flashing light system for runway 6. The outdated ALSF-1 system, including 21 flashhead units, control cabinets, and the master panel, was fully removed and replaced with FAA-compliant equipment designed to integrate seamlessly with the existing ADB SafeGate infrastructure. We installed 21 new elevated flashheads, control cabinets, a master panel, and 20 reinforced concrete pull boxes, along with new power and control cabling and liquid-tight conduit. The system was brought online with updated software, wireless Ethernet and fiber integration, and adjustable light intensity controls, fully compatible with the Airfield lighting control system. All work was performed safely within active Airfield operations and completed on schedule, meeting stringent FAA, UFC, NFPA, and OSHA requirements. This is precision work. This is Eau Gallie Electric.